Okay, hello dear friends. So this is the before. Now we take a look, and it's very long, so I have to put this very this string very up to the top, and so that I can walk. I feel it's too long. You can take a look here. Are you seeing it? And even here it comes to when I walk, it's kind of not so comfortable. If you trip, it will be very dangerous. So I'm thinking to loose down the string here and cut out the last layer. This last layer, I just cut it out. See how it works. Turn on the light. It's just too long. Now I am doing, I am wearing it. It's large enough for me to do it. One friend said that I can do like this. Jing, 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 jing. Can you see it? Is that out? Oh, there are 2 layers. How do I get rid of it? Or 3 layers. Oh, this is... Oh, this is not easy to see. Okay, now I'm getting better. Go this way. Ah, yeah, this way is better. Uh-oh, you cannot see. Where is... Are we in the right zoom? Oh my goodness. This is fun. Haha. This is fun. Sorry. Let's get into the right zoom. It should not be me who cut it out. Oh, it is me. This is absolutely sharp. Anyway, okay. Feels that I just cannot make it right. Let's take a look here. And I drop it down a little bit so that I do not feel so uptight. TT. 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 我可以吗 TT? So that's about it. I feel that loose, that flare of the long dress, but it's comfortable now.